What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, during the 50th birthday for Musa Mseleku, Mpumelelo was given time to speak, and when he was speaking, he actually said that there are certain things that I'm not happy about here at home, and I just cannot get into it. It really breaks my heart. Well, here Mpumelelo was talking about what is happening, to Musa Mseleku's wives and Musa himself, about them not being able to get along. So the challenge that is there here is that Mpumelelo is a son, he is a child, even though he has grown up. He is like trying to correct his father's behavior. He is trying to correct his mother's behavior. Yet at the same time himself, he already has a wife and is expecting a baby of his own. He's trying to do way too much at his age. And there are certain things that he shouldn't just be putting on his own shoulders. And obviously, Musa Mseleku was not happy about this. And he made it very, very clear that Mpumelelo shouldn't be trying to step into his shoes because he cannot handle it. Instead, he should focus on his own life. And it might be best for Mpumelelo to actually leave Mzumbe and for him to go and live elsewhere with his wives. Because what he is trying to do here or trying to achieve whatever, he may end up breaking himself. And it's actually true. There is no way that he can discipline his mothers and put them into line and say, hey, respect my father. And at the same time, he then goes to his father and say, hey, respect my mothers. It does not work like that. But somewhere, somehow, Mpumelelo is failing to grasp all of this. And the best thing for Mpumelelo, actually, it is for him to actually leave Mzumbe and for him to establish his own homestead away from Mzumbe, because for as long as he is at Mzumbe, he might struggle to continue going forward with life. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.